Take this paint remover spray from Sogo Group. Spray it all over the auto part you want to repaint. This will remove all the paint without damaging the matle surface. Wait for a minute. You see the paint is bubbling up. Take this iron wool. The paint is coming off very easily. Keep spraying and rubbing. A little hard work would be required to clean paint from the corners. Wash the part with tap water to remove any residue left from the paint remover. Clean the part with degreaser. Here is the final result. Our part is now ready to be repainted. For more auto-related videos, subscribe to our channel.